morning, kapamilya! Welcome to my channel. It's Anna here. Today is December 14 and we need to open my advent calendar, but today is a bit different because I will open the number 11 and 12 since I don't do it yesterday. I don't have time to vlog, so busy, so I'll do it today, Saturday. And look, I'm still wearing my pajama because it's a family day, but later maybe I'll go out and do some stuff. You know, as a mommy, mommies can relate with me. It's a busy day during weekend. But anyway, before anything else, let's do it. Without any further ado, let's get started. Oh, by the way, that's why I'm saying that we will open the number 11 and 12 because I don't want to be super late in opening my advent calendar. Here is the number 11. Look, 11, and this is the 12. This one. But first, we will open the number 11. Let's do it now. Card box. Whoop. Oh, now it's the nail polish. RM Deeds, if you're watching now, here is the one you said to me. I love the color. Wow! I think it's like a purplish color. Nail polish. Okay, so let's put it aside and let's open the number 12 here. Yay. Yay, excited. So excited. Oops! Another eyeshadow. Wow! Another set of eyeshadow. So maybe I need to take off the lip liner from my changeable compact and put this one. Nice. Love it. This is what I got today. This is the number 11 nail polish. I love it. And the number 12 is another set of eyeshadow. So maybe I need to put this to my changeable compact and remove the lip liner. No, it's not a lip liner, the lip balm, I think. But anyhow, I'm so happy to have this two today. Advent calendar 11 and 12. Hope you are happy too. Hope you enjoy my video. So that's it for today, kapamilya. Thank you for tuning in with me. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope I can vlog for tomorrow. Oh, I pray for that. It's really hard, but I'm always excited every time I open my advent calendar. And thank you for tuning in. My dear kapamilya, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like and notification bell so that you will be notified every time I had a video. And please comment down below if you enjoy this video. Thank you. I love you all. God bless. Enjoy your day. It's Saturday. It's family day. God bless you all. Bye.